The body in white used to be a huge complex assembly of many different mixed material parts that all needed to be designed, sourced, manufactured, transported, jigged, assembled to create the final complete part. Giga Castings does that in one. And the benefits, apart from shortening that supply chain, about reducing the complexity, but you've also got improvements in quality. If every part is the same, then you don't have the part-to-part variability that you would do when you're creating a 150 part assembly. The amount of energy and time that goes into that is vastly reduced. And it's the simplification through a complex concept that delivers a true benefit for the end product.